Who am I that the highest king would welcome me? I was lost, but he brought me in. Oh, his love for me. Oh, his love for me. Who the sun sets free.
Oh, what's up, guys? So we went out to a farm. Our church did a thing out there, and so we went out to a farm, and they had a pretty cool truck, pretty cool tractors. So I don't know if that excites you much, but I thought it was pretty cool. And yeah, it was kind of fun. You know, they had the like hanging lights, and you could throw horseshoes or cornhole, or it was like a barbecue, so you got hot dogs or whatever, but it's pretty chill. It's pretty all right. So that's gonna wrap up the rest of the weekend. I still have to put the interior back into the T-Bird. I haven't done that yet, but I do have Dynamat that I need to put in it, and I've got some supplies that I randomly have from owning this house because the guy soundproofed in here. So I actually have some soundproofing I'm going to do to the car before I put the interior back in it. And then I'm going to try and fix the windows. Those rear little wing windows. That's been something I've been staring at needing to fix for a long time. So if I fix them, I'd be super stoked on it actually. So I think that definitely has to happen before I put the interior back. All right, guys. So Bias Garage Auto Blog, full pickup, couple tractors. Check it out. Peace.